All right. Hey there, this is ShawNshawN. I'm going to do a little seascape today. See how it goes from Cancun area, which has a really turquoise blue water from the lack of river silt that goes in the ocean. So it's just pure water in the area versus say the Pacific that has a lot of river salt in it. All right, we'll see how it goes. Hey, so it's ShawNshawN. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I think it's okay. It's only my second landscape and first seascape in quite a while, so I think it's good to go. So I'll add some finishing touches like my signature after it dries, but otherwise that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.